Hello, welcome all to the online class. Today's topic is structure of Indian financial system. Financial system has got its four pillars, that is financial institution, financial market, financial asset or instruments, and then financial services. Financial institution is again divided into two, that is banking institution and non-banking institution. Banking institution can be further classified as commercial bank, cooperative bank, regional rural bank and foreign bank. Our commercial bank can be classified into two, that is private and public bank. Then comes to the financial market. We have got unorganized market and organized market. Organized market means these are the market which are regulated and controlled by the market regulators. Under that we have two, that is capital market and money market. Capital market is again divided into secondary market and primary market. Then comes to the financial asset or instruments. We have both the capital market instruments and money market instrument. Then we have financial services, that is fund based services and fee based services. Then components of Indian financial system. Indian financial system is mainly divided into two, that is organized financial system and unorganized financial system. Under organized financial system, we know it is controlled and regulated by RBI, which is the apex institution or apex bank for our Indian financial system. Then unorganized financial system means it is not controlled and regulated by RBI. Then we'll discuss about the four pillars, that is financial market, financial institutions, financial assets or instrument and financial services. First we will start with financial market. Financial market means, what do you mean by market? Market is a place where buyers and sellers come together to purchase goods or services. So what do you mean by financial market? Financial market means it's a marketplace where financial assets are traded. Means where trading of deposit, loan, securities occurs between the buyers and seller. It also include bond market, stock market, forex market and derivative market. Financial markets are vital to the smooth operation of capitalist economics. Means all business person or individual require fund. Means they'll go to the financial market to raise short-term fund as well as long-term fund. These financial market are both organized and unorganized. Our Indian financial market is also divided into two, that is organized and unorganized. Organized means obviously it is regulated and controlled by market regulators, and unorganized means it is not under the control of market regulators, so we are exposed to high interest rate and non-standardized procedures, and fraudulent activities are more in that unorganized financial market. It is not safe market. It is not safe market as compared to the organized financial market. Next is the structure of organized financial market. We have two divisions, that is money market and capital market. Money market means short-term market. It is a market where short-term funds are raised. And capital market means long-term market where long-term funds are raised. Money market has got sub-markets. We have call money, commercial bill, discount market, treasury bill market, acceptance market. Then capital market is again divided into primary market and secondary market. Primary market means new issue market where new companies or emerging companies go there and raise their needed required fund. And secondary market means all those listed companies, already existing and listed companies in the secondary market issue their shares to raise fund. That is secondary market. That is old issue market. It is also known as old issue. Next is money market. So money market is a market for short-term securities. Short-term funds are raised through money market. It has got maturity period is less than 1 year. It is a market of low risk, unsecured and short-term debt instrument which are highly liquid and are traded every day. Means a business person, if required fund to meet day-to-day working capital or expenses, they approach money market, which is a short-term market. Then it has no physical location to buy and sell instrument, usually transacted over the telephone and through the internet with the help of intermediaries. Intermediaries means all those middlemen who act between the buyer and seller in the money market, that is the intermediaries. This money money market helps to raise short-term fund, and it helps in temporary development of fund. Next is capital market. Capital market means it's a market for long-term fund. It is a market for long-term fund. Usually its maturity period is more than 1 year as compared to money market. So it is a market for financial securities with a maturity period of more than 1 year. It has got proper physical location to buy and sell instrument, that is stock exchange. We have both NSE and BSE, that is our stock exchange for the capital market. It is a market where buyers and sellers engage in trade of financial securities like bonds, stocks, all other items are traded, all the securities are traded in this capital market. The buying and selling is undertaken by the participant, such as individual and the institutions. Both are involved in buying and selling of long-term fund. Then capital market helps us to channelize surplus fund from the savers to the institution, which then invest them to productive use. Generally, this market trade mostly in long-term securities. So what capital market actually do is they take the surplus amount or surplus fund from the savers to the institution, and this institution ultimately channelize those fund those fund taken by the savers into the most productive channels or most productive instrument where they can get more return. Then capital market consists of both primary market and secondary market. Primary market means it is a new issue market where new companies go and raise their fund. Then secondary market is all those listed and existing securities or companies go there and raise their fund. That is secondary market means old issue market, and primary market means new issue market. So this is all about money market and capital market. Thank you.